Hello guys, this is Finance Balance. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Did you know that over 70% of new investors lose money in their first year? This alarming statistic can be quite disheartening for those who are just starting their investment journey. But why does this happen? What are the common pitfalls that new investors fall into? And how can they be avoided? Understanding these factors is crucial for anyone looking to succeed in the stock market. This statistic might seem discouraging, but don't worry. The good news is that with the right guidance and education, you can avoid becoming part of this statistic. It's important to remember that every successful investor started as a beginner. They faced challenges, made mistakes, and learned valuable lessons along the way. It's not about luck, but rather about knowledge. The more you know about the stock market, the better equipped you will be to make informed decisions. This means taking the time to educate yourself, seeking out reliable sources of information, and continuously learning and adapting to new market conditions. Many beginners jump into the stock market without a clear understanding of how it works, leading to costly mistakes. They might follow trends blindly, invest based on emotions, or fail to diversify their portfolios. These common errors can quickly erode their investment capital and lead to significant losses. The truth is, the stock market can be a powerful tool for building wealth if you know how to navigate it. By developing a solid investment strategy, staying disciplined and being patient, you can achieve your financial goals. It's about playing the long game and not getting swayed by short-term market fluctuations. This essay will equip you with the essential knowledge and strategies to become a successful investor in 2025 and beyond. We will cover topics such as understanding market trends, analyzing financial statements, and managing risk. By the end of this essay, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how to approach investing with confidence. We will demystify the complexities of the stock market and empower you to make informed investment decisions. Whether you are a complete beginner or have some experience, the insights and tips provided will help you navigate the market more effectively and avoid common pitfalls. Get ready to unlock the secrets of successful investing and embark on your journey to financial freedom. With the right mindset, tools, and knowledge, you can turn your investment dreams into reality. Let's dive in and start this exciting journey together. This essay will guide you through the essential stock market secrets that every beginner should know. We'll break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand terms, providing you with a solid foundation for making smart investment choices. From understanding market trends to selecting the right stocks, we'll cover it all. You'll learn how to analyze companies, manage risk, and develop a winning investment strategy tailored to your financial goals. The stock market can feel like a complex maze, especially for beginners. Imagine stepping into a world where every turn seems to lead to more confusion. The charts, the numbers, the endless streams of data. It can all be overwhelming. For someone just starting out, it's like trying to find your way through a labyrinth with no map. The fear of making a wrong move can be paralyzing. With so much information and jargon, it's easy to get lost and make impulsive decisions. Terms like PE ratios, dividends, and market caps can sound like a foreign language. The pressure to act quickly, combined with a lack of understanding, often leads to hasty choices. Many beginners find themselves buying stocks based on tips from friends or sensational news headlines rather than solid research. Many new investors fall into the trap of following the crowd, chasing after the latest hot stocks without conducting proper research. The allure of quick profits can be tempting, but it often leads to disappointment. When everyone is talking about a particular stock, it can create a sense of urgency and fear of missing out. This herd mentality can drive prices up temporarily, but without a strong foundation, these stocks often come crashing down. Others get scared by market volatility and sell their investments at the worst possible time, locking in losses. The stock market is inherently volatile, with prices fluctuating daily. For a beginner, these ups and downs can be nerve-wracking. The instinct to cut losses and sell during a downturn can be strong, but this often results in selling low and missing out on potential recoveries. The key to success lies in understanding that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Just like training for a marathon, investing requires time, effort, and perseverance. It's about setting long-term goals and sticking to them, even when the going gets tough. Planting seeds today and nurturing them over time can lead to a bountiful harvest in the future. It requires patience, discipline, and a well-defined strategy. Successful investors take the time to educate themselves, develop a plan, and stay the course. They understand that short-term fluctuations are part of the journey and remain focused on their long-term objectives. Keeping a financial journal and regularly reviewing your strategy can help maintain discipline and make informed decisions. By learning the fundamentals and avoiding common pitfalls, you can navigate the stock market with confidence and set yourself up for long-term success. Building a diversified portfolio, staying informed, and continuously learning are crucial steps. With the right mindset and approach, the stock market can become less of a maze and more of a well-charted path to financial growth. Before diving into the stock market, it's crucial to build a strong foundation by understanding key concepts such as market analysis, stock selection, and diversification. Market analysis involves studying market trends, economic indicators, and industry performance to identify potential investment opportunities. Stock selection focuses on evaluating individual companies based on their financial health, management team, competitive advantage, and growth prospects. Diversification is about spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographies to reduce risk and enhance potential returns. By mastering these fundamental concepts, you'll be well equipped to make informed investment decisions aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Section 5. A simple method for analyzing stocks, unlocking investment potential. While there are, numerous complex methods for analyzing stocks, beginners can start with a simple yet effective approach. This method doesn't require advanced financial knowledge or expensive tools, making it accessible to anyone willing to learn. By focusing on a few key metrics, you can begin to understand the value of a stock and make more informed investment decisions. The P/E ratio method involves comparing a company's stock price to its earnings per share, or EPS. This ratio provides a snapshot of what the market is willing to pay today for a stock based on its past or future earnings. It's a widely used metric because it offers a quick way to gauge whether a stock is overvalued or undervalued compared to its earnings. A low P/E ratio could indicate an undervalued stock, while a high P/E ratio might suggest an overvalued one. However, it's important to compare the P/E ratio to other companies in the same industry, as different sectors have different average PE ratios. This context can help you better understand whether a stock is truly undervalued or overvalued. Additionally, consider factors such as revenue growth, debt levels, and industry trends to gain a comprehensive understanding of a company's financial health and potential for future growth. Revenue growth indicates how well a company is expanding its business, while manageable debt levels suggest financial stability. Industry trends can provide insights into the broader market conditions that might affect the company's performance. Remember, this is just one method, and it's essential to conduct thorough research and consider multiple factors before making any investment decisions. Diversifying your investment portfolio and staying informed about market trends can also help mitigate risks. By combining different analytical methods and staying updated with financial news, you can make more strategic and confident investment choices. Section 6. Patience, knowledge, and strategy. The keys to long-term success. Investing in the stock market is a journey that requires patience, knowledge, and a strategic mindset. Don't expect to get rich quick. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio of quality companies and holding them for the long term. Remember that the market will always have its ups and downs. Don't panic sell during market downturns. Instead, view these as opportunities to buy undervalued stocks. Section 7. Beyond the basics, exploring advanced investing strategies. Once you've mastered the basics, you can explore more advanced investing strategies, such as value investing, growth investing, and dividend investing. Value investing involves finding undervalued companies with strong fundamentals, while growth investing focuses on companies with high growth potential. Dividend investing prioritizes companies that pay regular dividends to shareholders. Choose a strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Section 8. Your journey to financial freedom. Embrace the power of investing. The stock market, while initially daunting, presents an incredible opportunity for financial growth. By understanding the basics, developing a sound strategy, and committing to continuous learning, you can navigate this world with confidence. Remember, investing is not just about picking stocks. It's about building a brighter financial future for yourself. Embrace the power of investing and unlock your path to financial freedom. Section 9. Join the conversation. Share your thoughts and experiences. Now that you've gained valuable insights into the world of stock market investing, we encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences. What are your investment goals? What challenges have you faced as a beginner investor? Let's start a conversation and learn from each other. Your journey to financial success starts today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and press the notification bell.